Your teams share files every day with colleagues, partners, and clients. But consumer tools can't protect sensitive data, and clunky legacy enterprise solutions slow everyone down. You need both. Kiteworks delivers secure file sharing your teams will actually use. A familiar interface like OneDrive and Dropbox, unlimited file sizes up to 16 terabytes, nested folders with least privilege permissions, and real-time collaboration that keeps projects moving. Integrate with the tools you already use, Microsoft Office and Google Workspace plugins, desktop sync for Windows and Mac, full-featured mobile access. Your workflows stay intact, just more secure. Safe Edit takes collaboration to the next level. External partners edit any file type directly in their browser. No downloads, no plugins, no file possession. Documents never leave your secure enclave. Only a video stream of the application reaches the user. Revolutionary possessionless editing. Access all your repositories through one secure interface. SharePoint, OneDrive, Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, file shares, unified under Kiteworks governance. Share externally while keeping files in their original locations. Security that adapts to your policies. Role-based and attribute-based access controls. Dynamic policies based on data sensitivity, user context, and requested actions. End-to-end encryption with TLS 1.3
and FIPS 140-3 validation.
And customer-owned encryption keys for complete data sovereignty. Complete visibility into every share, every edit, every access. Comprehensive audit logging aligned to the NIST cybersecurity framework. Your security team sees everything. Kiteworks file sharing and collaboration.
Secure enough for your CISO, CEO, and board. Simple enough for everyone else.
Learn more at kiteworks.com.